Hello everyone, this is my review of the ZKing Rechargeable Blood Pressure Monitor. I've been using this blood pressure monitor for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with its accuracy and ease of use. The large LED backlight screen makes it easy to read even in low light, and the talking feature is a great bonus for those who prefer audio guidance. The large cuff fits comfortably, which is perfect for those who need an extra large size. I appreciate that it stores up to 99 readings for 2 users, great for tracking trends over time. The rechargeable battery is a huge plus since I don't have to keep buying replacements. Overall, it's a reliable, well-designed BP monitor that's perfect for your home. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.
Attention, please. Please keep silent and relax. Keep the cuff at heart level. Your blood pressure is systolic pressure, 131 millimeter of mercury pillar. Diastolic pressure, 86 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your pulse is 69 beats per minute. Measuring result is normal.